These fuckers. Get them all! You can hear him landing on the roof. Put it under the wiper. Hello, birds. Hello. Hello. Would you like some more treats? Yes. Now they're all confused. I hate these things. Look at, there's one back there even, look. Hey, how's that one? Here, let's throw him one back there. Damn it, didn't make it. Oh yeah, I got it. He got it.
Oh my.
Let's drive and have him fly along again, that was funny. Shut up! Stay on the car. Yeah, sure, I'll throw them out in the air while they're flying. They'll keep following us. Look at these.